pumasok.
Hello, hello, and a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. 안녕하세요. Konnichiwa. Namaste. Ni hao. Mabuhay. Sawadikap. Xin chào. Selamat datang. My name is Joe and welcome to the Bulls Amphitheater for the Bird and Buddy Show. The bird flying up there, that is a cockatoo. His name is Baba. The once he's ready, Baba will make his way down here on stage and land onto my hand. Here we go, flying very low. Right, and a touchdown. The big hand for Baba, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, cockatoos like him can be found in Australia and also in certain parts of Indonesia. But ladies and gentlemen, during the show, there will be birds flying very low above your head. So I need your cooperation. Everyone, please remain seated. Do not stand or try to touch the birds when the birds are flying low. Can all of you do that? Yes or no? Thank you very much. For your safety and for the bird safety as well, everyone please remain seated. Okay? 안주세요. 조시야. Very good. Alright, the first on stage, these are flamingos. These are greater flamingos and they are from Africa. And most of these birds that you see on stage, they were hatched and raised right here in the bird park. For example, all these flamingos to hit back home now. Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Enjoy din naman pala, Jay.